Even before this pandemic, DJs, we should have been saving our money. But now we are in times of uncertainty. There's no better time to start budgeting your money. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to budget monthly to save money as a DJ. Let's get into it. What's going on, people? I go by the name of DJ CB, and I help bedroom DJs transition over to a club DJ. If you like the sound of that, make sure you're hitting that subscriber button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified every single time I post a video. If you've just subscribed, type I subscribe down in the comments below, and I'll reply back instantly. Let's get into the video. Right, before I start anything, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have a profession to give out professional advice. It's just how I do things. Don't follow it if you don't want to, but this is just how I've done things, and actually saved over £300 a month purely by doing this method. So yeah, follow along if you want, but if you actually want professional advice, go seek professional advice from a professional financial advisor. With that said, let's get into the video. Right, with coronavirus coming in since March this year, they've been shutting down venues, they've been doing all sorts. The coronavirus has actually affected a lot of people, as well as DJs. DJs were so used to DJing 3-4 times a week, getting a nice weekly income, and it actually building up to being a nice monthly income that we could pretty much say that's our salary. But since March, things have been cut, venues have been shut, and we haven't been able to get that money in. So what you have to do now is actually survive on what you were living on before, whether it's your side hustle, if you worked part-time job or anything. So what we're going to do today is actually go through a way where you can put in your ingoings and outgoings into a spreadsheet and see actually how much you're spending in a month and see where you can cut back. In March, I thought, you know what, it's time to start budgeting my money. I had so much money going in and out of my account, I thought, you know what, I need to see actually how much is going out of my account. And when I done this spreadsheet in March this year, I could not believe how much money was actually coming out of my account. I was so shocked to see how much I was spending on my outgoings, just direct debits alone. This is before I'm spending money on trainers, clothes or anything. This is just my direct debit. I could not believe my eyes. So what I want you guys to do is actually do the same thing as me. Put your details into the spreadsheet, which I'm gonna show you in a minute, and you're gonna see how much you're actually spending a month. So me doing this technique, I actually saved already £300 a month, and in the next couple of months I'm going to be saving money on my car insurance and my gas and electric, which is going to save me even more money. So what we're going to do, we're going to head over to the computer behind me now and go through the spreadsheet on how you can save money and budget as a DJ. Let's get into it. Right, so as you can see right here now, we have our personal budget spreadsheet ready for us to fill out. So as you can see at the top now, you've got the total. So it's got your total income and your total expenditure. Total income is going to be all the money you're getting from the DJ venues, all the money that you're getting from your side hustles. Then your expenditure are going to be things like your direct debits like Netflix, Disney Plus, Spotify. Then going down to your spending that you need to spend every single month, such as food shopping, petrol. And then if you have any investments such as stocks and shares or anything like lifetime ISAs when you want to sort of get yourself ready for your retirement. So what we're going to do, we're going to fill out our incomes. So for the month of September, we're going to make £400 from venue 1, £300 from venue 2, and £200 from venue 3. And on our side hustle, it's like £1,500 for the month. Our side hustle brings in more money because we're doing this constantly. So as you can see now, from the month of September, we have now made 2,400. So what we're going to do, we're going to drag this along. So for the whole of the year, we are going to be earning this money. So as you can see at the top now, our income for September is 2,400, and you can see it being populated here. So our net total is 2,400. So what you need to do now is add in your direct debits and your outgoings. This is the one where you lot are going to be really shocked about. So what we're going to do, we're going to fill out Netflix first. So Netflix, £5.99. Disney Plus, £5.99. Spotify, £9.99. Virgin Media, I think mine's like £69. Ridiculous. Car insurance, let's go £100. Mortgage, let's put a round figure of, I don't know, £900. And your car payments, say if you've got a car on finance, let's say £290. Our direct debits for the month of September comes up to £1,380. I guarantee when you lot put in your own direct debits, you're going to be shocked at the amount of money you spend a month just on direct debits. Then you come down here and you see food shopping and stuff like haircuts and petrol, things that you always get on a monthly basis. So we're gonna say food shopping on a monthly basis is around about £350. Haircut, my haircut is £25 per time I go, and I get my haircut twice a month, so it's about £50. And then petrol, I'm gonna say I do about £300 a month on petrol. And then I invest into my pension account, £80 a month, and in stocks and shares, I put about £150 a month into stocks and shares like Trading 212, etc, etc, etc. So as you can see now, our expenditure for direct debits is £1,380. Spending on like food shopping, petrol is £700, and investments £230. That comes up to a total of £2,310.97, which leaves you with £89.03 to spare. Now, this is where you lot are going to be shocked. I'd love to see your lot reaction when you finally put in your direct debits and your spending and then take it away from your income, because you are going to be shocked. People don't understand how important it is to actually track your direct debits, let alone your day-to-day spending. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy this all over. So now we have our whole year's budget of direct debits. This is obviously going to change due to might have different incomes coming in a month. You might change venue, you might change provider, etc, etc. Your food shopping might go up because you might have had a child. Anything. Petrol prices might have gone up. So this is a great way to kind of have a rough estimate of how much you're going to spend in the total year. So if you see in the right hand corner, we're going to earn 28,800 in this year, but we're also going to spend £27,000. So using this spreadsheet actually helps you find different opportunities where you can save money. So I want to give you an example. So your car insurance is £100 for the month of September. So what you could do is head over to uswitch.com and see if you can bring your car insurance down when it next renews. So then what you could do for when it comes in, I don't know, your renewal might be in December, you can now change this 100 to £75, and then you can drag that along, and it's £75. That way you're now going to have a net total of £114 from December. You'll have more money to spend. So putting your direct debits into this spreadsheet will allow you to see how much you're spending on a monthly basis, and it will help you actually find ways to cut down your spending. I can't stress you a lot enough how important it is to track your spending, especially your direct debits. As well as your direct debits, spending like food shopping, people don't actually realize that it's an expense. Like, you go food shopping every single week, so you should put this into your direct debits or your monthly spending. So putting this in will actually make you realize how much money you spend on food shopping and how much money you have left at the end of the month. And then at the end, I have investments. So I invest in stocks and shares on my Trading 212 account. If you want to sign up to Trading 212, I'm going to leave my link down in the description down below. We'll both get a free share worth up to £100. If you want to start trading some stocks, start buying some Apple stocks, Amazon stocks, and make some money, make sure you follow that link down below and we can both get a free share. But we'll talk more on stocks and shares in another episode. If you want me to do an episode on stocks and shares, write down in the comments down below. Right, so as you can see here now, it was really easy to enter in the data and it does all the calculations for you. I have set up this spreadsheet so it's all done for you guys already. You don't have to change anything apart from put in your own data. All the income, expenditure, and net total formulas are all sorted out for you. All these totals at the top of each of these bars here are all sorted out for you, and the totals on the right hand side. Like you can see here that on the mortgage, I spend £10,800 mortgage a year. But you could find a way to cut that down when you renew your mortgage or you remortgage. There's so many different ways you can start to save money using this spreadsheet. So as you fill out your spreadsheet, obviously the income and the expenditure starts to go up or go down. This net total here will be exactly how much you can spend in the month. It's really easy to add in another income or another direct debit. All you got to do is highlight a row here, right click, press insert, and it will give you another one. So you can put DJ venue 4 and then add in your amount here, which could be 500, and then drag it along. And as you can see now, it's updated these values here. So we've added a new income, which brings up our net total to £589. So we have £589 that we can spend on things like trainers, clothes, or anything, going out for dinner with your friends, etc. I can't stress to you lot enough how important it is to have a spreadsheet like this. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can get this spreadsheet for free at the end of the video. Honestly, people, I guarantee you're going to be so shocked when you work out how much your direct debits add up a month and how much money you're actually really earning and you're able to spend a month. In that spreadsheet, like I said previously, you will be able to see how much you're spending a month and cut down in future months. For example, I have saved £180 a year on my electricity bill by just having this spreadsheet and then doing a U-switch, so they switch my provider and I save money. People don't realize how much money you can actually save by switching providers every year or anything. I didn't realize that. I thought the longer you stay with a company, the more loyal you are to them, the more they'll give you better prices, where that is not the case at all. Use this spreadsheet and find different ways where you can save money. So then, yeah, once you've got that spreadsheet and you've got your expenditure and you've got your income and you'll come with your net total, that is how much money you can spend a month. And then all you need to do is find ways how you can increase that net total. If you want me to do a video on how you can budget your net total so you can start tracking your spending, such as when you go out for dinner, when you spend money on clothes, etc., write down in the comments below if you want me to do a video on that. Right now, the time you have all been waiting for. If you want to get this spreadsheet for free, first of all, smash that like button down below. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Secondly, the link to the spreadsheet is down in the description down below. It's a Google Drive link. It's free completely. I've done this spreadsheet for you guys so I can help you guys out. It is a bad time for us DJs right now. We're not getting that much money. So this is the best time for you to start budgeting. I can't stress you a lot enough how important it is to budget your money, to start saving your money, and then finding other ways to build up your money so you have more to spend. And also, it's so important to keep going through your finances and your direct debits to see where you can cut down on money. Now, I know you're all thinking,
oh, CB, that's long, man. I can't be bothered to fill out a spreadsheet. I can't be bothered to do that.
You see how quickly I've done it in that previous screen share there? It will take you literally a couple of hours to go to your banking app on your phone, see your direct debits that's come out for this month, and then enter them into the spreadsheet. You'll then get shocked and see how much money you spend a month, and then you will be determined to try and get that cost down. For me, using this spreadsheet from the start of March, I have saved over £300 a month by tracking my spending and reducing my monthly bills. Think about it. 2 hours spent on looking through your direct debits and enter them into the spreadsheet and putting in your income could save you over £300. Think about that before you turn off this video and think, oh, Courtney, this is long. Obviously, this is a completely different kind of video what I've been doing on my channel. My other videos are all based on videos helping out DJs trying to get through the industry, but this is also a DJ related topic, saving your money. So if you want me to do more videos like this on how to invest your money as a DJ, how to save your money as a DJ, how to budget even more as a DJ, write down in the comments below if you want more videos like this. I really hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscriber button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified every single time I post a video. I go by the name of DJ CB, and we're out.